you know that in Google Chrome, you have the ability to drag an image from one tab and insert it into another? Oh, you did know that. Well, in Google Slides, have you right-clicked on any of those photos recently? If you haven't, you may want to. You may see the option to remove background already embedded into Google Slides. You may not. It is rolling out slowly, and some accounts have it and some accounts don't. If you don't see it, don't worry. You still have another way to remove backgrounds. Simply drag that image to Canva. By the way, this presentation you're looking at was a template that Canva had created. Now, if you are in Canva, you have a background remover. If that feature is not enabled for you, you are not using your free pro account as a teacher, and you just need to get validated. If you need help with that, I am here for you. So you have this option. Did you also know that it's not just limited to images? Now watch the difference here. If I drag this GIF back to our Halloween presentation, it just looks like a photo. However, if I open it up and I see it moving, I can drag that directly in. How cool is that? Oh, I was wondering if you could remove a background there, but you can't. Okay, so there's some tips for you on Google Slides and Canva and the power for background removal. By the way, Canva has quite a bit of editing options for you in the Magic Studio, so check it out, or ask me and I can come show you.